Hi there, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this Dewalt 10-inch compound miter saw. I'm going to give you a little bit of description of the different features that it has and everything it has to offer.
So here you have the Dewalt 10-inch 15 amp compound miter saw. It is a 5,000 RPM motor. So one of the first things I'd like to point out is some of the safety features. As we can see right here, it has this blade guard, keep you from getting your fingers in there. Another thing that's a safety feature, or kind of just a locking feature, right here we have this that locks us down. To unlock it, pull the pin out, allows the blade to come up. And as you can see, the safety guard goes under to protect your hands from the blade. And as you lower, it automatically swings open so that you can cut. Another safety feature is a locking knob. So this way it won't move. You can unlock the knob here, lift this up in order to turn the saw. Now let's point out some of the nice features that this Dewalt saw has. Along with the locking knob, we have these positive stops. And what that means is when I move it, I can slide this and you hear it click in there. Now, even though this isn't locked, it's stuck in that position unless I use a little safety trigger here to move it. And I could slide it right along. And these are done, as you can see, zoom in here a little bit, at some common points. We have it at 0. My saw is a little bit older here, but it has it at 10, 15, over here at 22.5, 31, 0.62, and at 45. I do believe that the slightly more newer version of this has an additional one right up in here as well. This back at 0. Another nice feature that this saw has is the back fences here. This is a sliding fence on this side. You're going to see this knob in the back. So if I loosen that up, I can extend that out and lock it into place. Okay. Get that locked back. The saw also has a 48-degree bevel, and it actually has like a -3 bevel too. So let's slide around here to the back. You're going to see this knob right here. If I loosen that up, get that nice and loose, you can see I can bevel the saw out. Let's give a front view of that so you can see. Another little nice addition is this sawdust bag. Just simply slides right on. Comes with the saw as well. Another nice feature is the lightweight design of this. It's only 31 pounds. Also has these handles, one on each side. Makes it nice and easy to pick up and move it around. Don't have to worry about smashing your fingers. However, if you don't want to keep it that portable and you want to keep this in a locked position so it doesn't move, you can see that we have some holes here that you can, and of course on both sides, that you could mount this to a table easily. All right, let's fire this thing up and see how it works. Pin out, and place this up, and place this right up against the back fence there, keeping my fingers away from this area. Just gonna hold it out here. There you go. You have the Dewalt 10-inch 15 amp compound miter saw. Great little workhorse.